Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a review. We're doing a lash glue liner pen review. This one is from Kiss. Bring the salon home, Kiss. I got the shade Clear. They also have it in black. I purchased this from Ulta. It was like on sale for like $7.50 or something like that. I don't know. I'll link it down in the description box below so you can check it out on your own time if this product seems like a good fit for you. However, I have some thoughts, so let's go through those. It says, well, this is the outside packaging. It's light pink. I don't even know if you can see it's light pink, but it says apply lash glue like eyeliner. Lash glue liner. Clear matte finish, foolproof, easy touch-up. Okay? Open it up. It also says revolutionize your lash routine. So this is the actual liner itself. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that because it's white and my hands are basically the same color. Come on, stop focusing on my eye. So it is a felt tip eyeliner pen, but instead of distributing eyeliner, it distributes glue. Okay? You already with me? So that is what we are trying today. I have a full face of makeup on. I put mascara, eyebrows, the works on today, but I do not have anything on my lid. There might be like a little bit of translucent powder on my eyelids, but I do not have any eyeshadow, anything. Just a clean, fresh face of makeup for you. And that is because this says how to use. Apply to clean, dry eyelids free of moisture or makeup. We're already off to a terrible start. 2. Starting with one eye, apply glue liner along your natural lash line just like regular eyeliner. Asterisk, asterisk, when using clear glue liner, apply your regular eyeliner over this product, not under it. 3, apply the liner, before the liner has a chance to dry on your eyelid, immediately apply your Kiss false lash strip band along the glue liner pen line. Pat to set the lash strip in place. Repeat on other eye. It also has some tips. We will go over those if we need it. My first issue with this is that it says apply to dry eyelids free of moisture or makeup. I wear eyeshadow. I feel like most people wear eyeshadow when they're wearing lashes. Is this true? Like, I know that there are some times when you will do a like eyeshadow free just lashes sort of a situation, but like I always am wearing eyeshadow when I'm applying lashes, so already I'm skeptical, but we're gonna try, okay? We need a liner. Okay. So taking the lash glue liner, I have a clean, moisture free, makeup free eyelid. Just have mascara on, so let's apply this glue liner. And then I'm taking some Ardell 817s, if I can get them off. Some Ardell Foam Ink 817s, and those are the lashes that I'm gluing on today. Ow, I just pinched my eyelid, that hurt. So it's stuck. It's on there. I didn't apply any liner to this eye because I wanted to see how it applied like by itself. So it's on there for sure. So now let's do the other side and let's try to apply liner over it and then apply the lashes. I'm very skeptical about this in general. I mean, obviously I'm not skeptical about a glue liner pen. It works, like clearly applying like glue to your lash line and then sticking the lashes on top is going to work. That's how a lot of people apply their lash glue in general. Like they'll just take the brush of the lash glue, brush it on their eyelid, and then pop their their eyelashes on. But what's kind of like, so what, now I'm supposed to apply my eyeshadow, or am I supposed to apply my eyeshadow before? Like, where is this just good for no like makeup days? Because that's not how I live my life. All right, so we're gonna use the lash glue liner pen with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner in Blackout. It says apply the glue pen first and then apply your regular eyeliner over the product, not under it. That seems counterintuitive to me, but we'll see. Lash glue pen applied. Now the liner. It's a terrible liner job, but probably would have been better if I didn't have mascara on. Now we're putting the lashes on. Oh, it's stuck. It's sticking. Okay. Alright. Okay, so it stuck even after we put the liner on top of it, which seems like crazy to me. Like, why? I guess it's because they don't want, so if you can see on the tip of my eyeliner pen, there's actually a little bit of mascara and a little bit of translucent powder that may have gotten on my eyelid from setting my face. So I guess they don't want you, or the instructions say to not put eyeshadow on or to have a clean lid, is because they don't want you to dirty up the tip of the actual liner pen. And my eyelashes are stuck on there. I just don't know if this is something that I would use every day. But you know what I could see that this would be good for is like keeping in your purse, or like when you're out, and if the inner corner or outer corner of your lashes tends to pop up, this would be a good little like zhuzh up your inner corner and then pat it down when you're in the bathroom or something like that. I could see how that would be really good. As an actual lash glue though, I mean, they're secure. Like, I'm tugging on them. They're secure. They're on there. They just don't feel very secure. Does that make sense? Like, it looks good. They just don't feel... Okay, so I put some liner actually like over top of the lashes over here, and you know what? I actually don't hate it. It just is like really thick and bold compared to this side. So this lash glue liner, it works. However, if you're one that uses a lot of eyeshadow, then I don't see how this could be a viable only option. I feel like if you do like a crazy eyeshadow look, or you wear eyeshadow every day, this is like a good backup to have in your purse for like touch-ups, or if your lashes like pop up, or if you're gonna be like crying, you know, like weddings and stuff, this could be in an emergency kit. I don't see how, unless you are only doing liner every day, this could be a good option for you. Does that make sense? I do see maybe how this could also be helpful if you're doing like gems on your face. Maybe let's try some of that. So I got my sequins kit. You know me, I'm all about a good sequins gem moment. So I have some pearlies, I have some like gemmies, I have some stars, so we're just gonna try. But I feel like this could also be good for like precision glitter, precision gemmies, you know, the whole 9 yards. So we're just going to, should probably use this kind of a mirror. And this is going over my makeup. So like I already have foundation and powder and all that jazz down, so this is going over all of that. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Alright. So I just put one pearly down, but that was so much easier. That's so much easier than going in with like regular lash glue. It's so much more precise. And it doesn't like drip everywhere. And it almost like dries instantly. Oh my gosh. Okay. So maybe should we try some glitter? All right, let's try some glitter. We're going to use some of this e.l.f. Teal Eclipse glitter, but it's blue. It's not teal. How are we going to do this, Kirby? All right. We're going to do like lines because I want to see if I can get like precision in this glitter look. Okay, that's not bad. It definitely helps with getting like a nice precise line. I think sometimes the issue is that glitter just gets everywhere. I could definitely see how this would be helpful for glitter liner. Yeah, all right, look at that. Okay. So, in conclusion, I think that this glitter liner pen is really good for touch-ups and liner only looks if you're using it on the eye itself. If you do eyeshadow every day and you do like glam, glam, glam looks, this is not going to be a product for you. However, for people who do like costume makeup, like fun editorial makeup with like gems and glitter and things like this, this might be a really good product for you to apply things precisely and for it to dry quickly. The only issue is, and let me like try and hold up the back of something here, yeah, so you can see this. And I don't even know if you can see this. The only issue is that now you can see the tip of the brush when you apply it over makeup is now the tip of the brush is dirty, and that could cause some issues in terms of future application, but it does say on the packaging that as needed, clean the felt tip with a lint-free cloth or a makeup remover to reduce any residue. So it might get like clogged with glue residue and a little bit of makeup, so you can just take a little bit of like makeup remover or makeup remover wipe or a lint-free cloth and just kind of like wipe it and, you know, clean it off as needed. But like, I don't know, I feel like I would buy this for myself closer to like Halloween and for like Face Chart February. I don't know if this would be on my have to have all the time purchase, but especially if you have problems with your inner corner lashes staying down, this would be a great product to like keep in your purse. So yeah, I'm not disappointed I have it. I don't think I would buy the black one. Personally, I think the clear one is just fine for me, but that's my opinion. Wow, all right, I'm pleasantly surprised by this. If you are interested in the Kiss Lash Glue Liner Pen, I will link both the clear and the black one so you can check them out on your own time. I do think that there are a couple other companies that have products out there like this. Have you guys used these types of products? Have you used this product, like these glue liner pens? Let me know all of that in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.